Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. That's Dorota Palicka, International Nail Artist and Educator here. And today we are going to do a very beautiful design. Have a preview of it in here. Absolutely stunning, and I hope you really enjoy watching this tutorial. So let's start. Very simple set. We are going to do the thumb and the ring and the pinky finger first. So I have done it at one and here, and then exactly the same design on this finger. So you would just paint the nails in white color. We are just going to paint it in white. And I'm using 173, which is a tic-tac white. And then once you're happy with it, give it a cure. And then we will paint also white on the middle finger. I just remove any fluff. And then give it a cure. These two, for a change, are going to be 192, which is a shooting star. It's a rosy gold color. And since we are going to decorate it further, I'm not going to be bothered painting it twice. I will just paint it at one coat. The thumbnail is ready, so let's take it out. And then we can apply the High Shine No Wipe Top Gel on the entire tip. So first of all, for this technique, you want a nice and strong top, which is going to hold the things in place. And then secondly, you want some sugar glitter, which isn't too big. Like the bigger particles are easier to come off, the smaller particles stay on much nicer. So you apply the top coat, and then you go and sprinkle the entire tip. And then give it a cure. Okay, put that on the side and then grab our white tip, which was the middle finger. Top coat it. So a top coat. Again, shiny top coat. And then cure it. You can also double cure for sugaring, just to make sure the product stays on nice. And then let's concentrate on the other two nails. So we've got those ring finger and the index finger. I'm cutting a small amount of the rose gold transfer foil. I love this color of the transfer foil, like totally my favorite one. It looks amazing, and that's why I have picked up the rosy gold base. Okay, and now without of using any other extra product, we are going to use the inhibition layer which we've got from our gel to transfer the foil. So this is just the inhibition layer which we've got from our gel polish. The inhibition layer wouldn't transfer really nice, you know, we would have some empty spaces, as you can see. That's why I have picked up those base color to be as similar as possible. Okay, I want to do it one more here. Just kind of searching empty spaces. Perfect. Now we are going to grab some gems. And the base gel. So I'm always securing my gems with the Upvoted base gel. Drop of it. And we are going to apply some crystals here. Almost like a smile line. And then on this one, opposite. Then grab the crystals. The large one in the middle. And then we are going to go smaller and smaller. So this one was a smile line shape. Okay, put it on the side. Okay, now place them. Nice. Oh, this one is actually nice. And give it a cure. Our thumbnail is ready, so I'm just going to take it. Take a brush and remove any excess of the sugar glitter. I actually don't like some black one there. I think I will be stuck with it. Place it on our display. So pretty. Do the middle finger now. Science is cooked. And we are going to use the white French gel. So pick up a scoop of it. And paint some jumper there. The easiest way to paint the jumper is number 4s. Okay, so another one. And I remember this design had been quite hard for me on the beginning. I was like, gosh, how to paint the jumper? So honestly, once you divided it into the number 4, it's become so much easier. Then some line on the side. Line on the other side. Oh, wow, I'm so impressed. My hands don't shake today. And then couple of the dots on the side. And since we want this design to go with the other thing, I like to have one joining connection thing on my entire set. So this is the sugaring. I'm just going to sugar it, and the sugar will stick in only to the white gel, and it wouldn't stick into the top coat because it was a no wipe top gel. Okay, so sprinkle it and then cook it. So now we have to do something which will join in. I mean, they are so pretty just the way they are, but we have to do something to join the set with the rest. And what we are going to do it is take a high shine no wipe top gel and then apply on the entire set. So apply it everywhere. And then cure it. You have to cure it 60 seconds in order to don't get the stickiness anywhere. Top coat this one. And then cure it as well. Okay, our middle finger is all nicely cooked. Is it? Where are you? So we can take the brush and remove any excess. And you can see it only sticks into our jumper design. Let's place it on our display. Just right in the middle there. So we've got those 3. That will look nice as a Christmassy set as well, like absolutely amazing. But anyway, take the first tip and paint the next part. So I'm just going to clean my brush. Mixing palette. The white gel. It's like a water is so warm in here. And we are going to decorate it. One line, other line. Three. See, I think freehand snowflakes is a must-have for this season. And then the dotting tool. And some couple loose ones. Give it a cook. Oh no, don't give it a cook. Oh gosh. Sugar, yes, cameraman, sugar. We need something which join the things together. Now cook it. Okay, and now we are going to do it the same on here on the top. I'm actually not going to think of a different snowflake. I will just do it the same. There is lots of tutorials when I'm painting different types of the snowflakes. You can check them out. You know, this will be quite salon-friendly design because it doesn't take long time at all. And then the dotting tool. Couple single dots. Sugar it, cook it, and then that's us finished. So I'll be able to show you the entire set. Tap it and then cure it properly. Okay, grab away the brushes from the light because I'm always keeping them too close, which is no use. Obviously, all the products which we have used today, they are available on our website as well, guys. You can check that out if you have never seen it before. Lots of amazing stuff in there. I love this one, the rosy gold one. So pretty. Like, absolutely amazing. It's so nice. And this one is ready as well. So clean it and place it there. I will just check the size. No, that's a good sizing. And that's the other one. So white and rose gold set. Actually, white and pink, white and rose gold. Pink and rose gold are really popular again this year. So I'm sure my clients will love this combination. I'm sending you glittery hugs and bye for now.